Sometimes I like to have music in the background when I'm falling asleep, but the problem is that I don't want the music to play all night and I don't want to wake up to turn off the music. And I'm using Apple Music when I'm gonna play my music because it's included in all these subscriptions that you're paying for anyhow. But the thing is that I can't find a sleep feature in Apple Music. If I was to have an Android device, then there was a sleep feature, but for some reason Apple did not include the sleep feature in the Apple Music app for iPhones. But there is a workaround, so go into clock, and then when you are in clock, go to timers. And here you can set, for example, 20 minutes, and then you would like to have what's gonna happen when the timer ends. Usually you maybe have a ringtone of some sort, but if you scroll to the very bottom of this list, you have stop playing. And if you now set this and you start this timer like that, then it will stop playing anything that is playing in 20 minutes. And you can also set this up with help of Siri, but then you need to have something playing first. So let's start playing something here. I'm gonna play it quietly so I don't get a copyright strike. And then I can just say, hey Siri, turn off the music in 10 minutes. And now the music will stop in 10 minutes. Next thing we can do, that is to see each other in that video, because about 75% of all my viewers are watching that video also. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.